What is the secret to a successful interior? Of course, it's stylish and comfortable furniture that will remain relevant for years to come. This Chinese factory knows everything about creating a comfortable and stylish space. In their showroom, they've gathered furniture in a variety of styles, from minimalism to Scandinavian. How can you buy furniture in China that will delight you for many years and leave no one indifferent? That's what we'll talk about in today's episode. In 2025, styles like minimalism, japandi, and Scandinavian remain popular. We expect to see the same trend continue into 2026. These interior styles are increasingly ceasing to exist in isolation. They are combined, acquire softer and cozier features, and also incorporate elements of biophilic design with an emphasis on natural shades and materials. Do you want to create strict minimalism or go for eclecticism? Furniture from this factory will definitely meet all your needs. In my opinion, it's a really great selection of furniture with very on-trend designs. And the main connecting element here, of course, is the sofa. The model is called Amo by the Italian brand Paolo Castelli. The design of the Amo sofa is inspired by the Art Deco aesthetics of the 1920s and 30s. Visual dynamism and liveliness of the elegant structure are achieved through asymmetrical modules of varying depth and height. As for softness, I would rate it like this. It's probably a 6 out of 10, but that's easily fixable. If you prefer it to be softer, the factory can easily accommodate your request, and our managers will make sure you get exactly the level of softness you want. There are no armrests here, and this kind of pillow, you could say, serves as an armrest in a way. I think it's better to use it more this way. You just lie down on your side, along the sofa, and rest on it like a pillow. Overall, it's a very interesting design. What do you think? The armchair from the same collection. But if I share my personal impressions, because the armrests are extremely low here, with my height of 1.83 meters, look, I can't rest my arms on them at all. There's at least a 10 centimeter gap. So for long sitting sessions, this armchair isn't really suitable. That's the trade-off for having such a beautiful, striking armchair. In terms of functionality, unfortunately, I wouldn't say it's the kind of home armchair you can sit in for a really long time. The living areas are very similar in design and color palette. Here, alternative options for sofas and armchairs are presented. Let's compare them. The curved modular sofa by Art Nova. Of course, this brand isn't as well known as Minotti or Polyform, but it also creates very respectable designs. The inspiration came from natural, organic shapes. The island-like modules come together in an archipelago whose shape and size you can change however you like. You can choose any number of modules and arrange them together or opposite each other. Take a look at these backrests. It moves quite easily, but at the same time, the backrest itself stands very firmly. So when you lean back, it holds you comfortably and securely. And now my favorite segment, it's time to lie down on the sofa. Well, it's great. The neck support is good. The cushion itself is very soft here, I like it. Despite its sharp lines and overall puffiness, the sofa is actually quite soft. And let's not forget that in China, you can order everything customized for you. That includes the softness, the upholstery, everything can be chosen exactly the way you want it. I also like these unusual little bird-shaped tables here. They look pretty amusing and funny. Take a look at another table. It reminds us of a huge cross-section of a tree, just gigantic. And the factory actually has a lot of tables in general, and if you're interested, just ask our managers and we'll send you detailed catalogs. And I almost forgot to mention, they installed this simple, ordinary table, which isn't specifically designed to be built into the sofas like it sometimes is. They just placed it between the modules and wedged it in. Overall, it's an interesting idea, and I think you could use it in your own design. Dear friends, I want to remind you that my company, GLOBUS, has been supplying furniture for over 15 years. We have the largest office in the city of Foshan and the most professional team of employees. Thanks to this, we are able to provide service at a very high level. In addition, our IT team has developed a unique online store platform where you can view and explore more than 30,000 products right now. You can sort prices by room. You can chat within the social chat with your designers or directly with our managers. Everything is made as convenient as possible. And you can buy furniture in China in 2 ways. You can come to China in person. This is the so-called furniture tour to China, or buy online using our online platform. We send out samples. Everything is made as convenient as possible. During the pandemic, we learned to work with this very well. There is another main advantage to buying furniture in China. In addition to saving money, a wealth of customization options, and a huge assortment, you work with us through a single point of contact. You don't need to run around to 150 different companies and order everything from different places. You work with a personal manager who is assigned to you at the start of the project, and they search for everything you need. Plumbing, lighting, furniture, curtains, even slippers if you want. We'll find everything for you. It's very convenient and comes with excellent service. If you're interested in this service, please follow the links in the description. The factory offers a very impressive selection of beds. If you're looking for something elegant and refined, this bed could be a great choice. The frame bed by designer Carlo Colombo for the brand Giargetti. The design combines geometry and a minimalist language of forms with a clear emphasis on materials. The headboard base is upholstered in soft fabric, while the side profile of the headboard is made of leather, creating a striking visual outline. I personally really like this bed. Not only does it look great, it also feels great, and I like that the headboard is especially soft. I think it would be very comfortable to relax on in the evening, read a book, or just watch a movie. The factory presented this interesting type of table. A very interesting design with no corners. The materials here are natural veneer and natural marble. The base leg is coated with lacquer. And here there are also these interesting handles. They imitate precious stones. I also like this chair here. It has a very interesting design and is very comfortable. It provides good back support and looks great with this table. Here is an open bookcase like this, which would suit many styles. So what do you think? Do you like it or not? The materials here are natural veneer and solid wood. The factory has a lot of models of case furniture made from solid wood. Perhaps you have already noticed the design of this model. It strongly resembles the works of the artist Piet Mondrian. Clean geometric shapes, strict lines, contrasting color accents, the play of light and shadow. All of this is reminiscent of his abstract paintings with red, blue, and yellow rectangles. From my observations, many factories draw inspiration from Piet Mondrian's works. I've already seen them at several factories. And by the way, here you can have these doors made either as sliding or hinge doors. Everything is up to your preference. Speaking in more detail about customization, nowhere else in the world, like in China, do you have such an amazing opportunity to change sizes, upholstery, materials, and so on. And I'm not just talking about the amount you might expect in Europe. For example, you might only be offered 10 upholstery options or just 5 color choices. Here, it's often hundreds or even thousands of upholstery options, which can be overwhelming. It's so hard to choose. The shelving unit consists of horizontal wooden shelves and vertical aluminum panels, allowing you to assemble both wall-mounted and freestanding shelves in either symmetrical or asymmetrical configurations. An elegant writing desk from the brand Casina. Soft, rounded contours with no sharp edges and an asymmetrical structure. Everything creates an airy and light visual impression that doesn't dictate, but rather invites interaction. The desk can be made from solid wood or from MDF with a matte lacquered finish. You are probably familiar with the armchair? By the designers at IMSIS, the lounge chair. Here, a lobby chair version by the same designers is presented. The armchair has become a design classic, a compact and incredibly comfortable alternative to the legendary lounge chair. The base is made of cast aluminum with a chrome finish. The cushions are 3 separate blocks upholstered in leather. Look at this softness and the sense of comfort this bed creates. This is the Teo Bed from the Italian brand Malteni. Smooth, enveloping shapes and soft upholstery make this a true visual ode to comfort and elegance. You can also choose leather for the upholstery, but I believe the model is revealed most fully in fabric. This is a bed that is very popular and produced by many factories, but not all of them manage to do it as well as here. The Engel bed from the Italian brand Flow. The bed stands out with its soft headboard featuring decorative modernized tufting and a complex design with side panels, creating a cozy nook for rest and privacy. The headboard has built-in lights, but you can opt out of them if you don't like them. And by the way, the designer of this bed is the famous Rodolfo Dordoni, who has contributed to many key models of renowned brands such as Minotti. If you're interested in brands like Minotti and other top brands, you can visit our channel. We've made a lot of videos. Please check them out and watch. The sofa features a very contemporary design with great potential for the future. The studio sofa from a Danish company. The aesthetics of this model are inspired by the soft shapes and style of sectional sofas from the 1970s. The design offers a modular system that allows you to create a variety of configurations, from small corners to large spaces. More and more of our clients are choosing these kinds of modular systems. And I understand why. Simple geometry, comfort, and softness. This sofa has a rather deep seat, and although the backrest is low, it still provides pretty good support for your back. Continuing with the topic of case furniture, the honeycomb structure of the shelving unit creates a geometric look. The structure is made entirely of curved multi-layer plywood, a technically complex solution, finished on top with natural veneer. The design of the shelving unit was created back in 1959 by the Japanese designer Yasuhiko Ito. Look at how relevant it still is today. Japanese precision and Italian minimalism. It's suitable for an office, a living area, or really anywhere you like. I couldn't pass by and just had to show you this gorgeous dresser. The tabletop is made of natural marble and the frame is dark walnut. It's simply an exquisite combination. Friends, thank you for watching. I hope you found the video interesting. And let me remind you, if you're interested in buying furniture from China, you can send us your design project right now and we'll calculate all your items for free. Based on that, you can decide whether this is something you're interested in or not. This was Matvey with you, Director of GLOBUS Premium Furniture from China. Goodbye, everyone.